evening, everyone. Welcome to WN90 channel. Today we'll do the unboxing video for Xiaomi Mi 10,000 mAh Generation 2. So this costs around 45 ringgit 50 cent, which is around $11.4. A simple box, all in Chinese. The sticker, you can check the numbers from here. We got the cables, and this is the power bank. So here you can check out 1, out 2 is 1.2A, out 1 is 2.5 volt, 2.4A. Insert, you can check, you still have 2 bars, and this didn't come together with this, is in a separate, and this is so it's nothing shown here, it's blue. In this case came together in separate plastic actually, but I already installed it, so I just don't want to remove it because it's hard to install back this thing. So you get this Mi logo here, you can see it, see, yeah. So that is it, very simple. Here it is all in Chinese, mention 10,000, 5 years, no recycle. Okay, that is all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.